So this is my brainstorming with my questions. You see my main question in the center there. What would inquiry look like in baking? And then the first time I organized the questions, I put them in categories by similarity. The first set I have up there in the corner is how the process would work. How would inquiry work in my baking classroom? And then the second category is categories of possible issues that could arise as I'm working my way towards this. What would my colleagues' reaction be? How would the budget be affected? My third category up the top is advanced baking and a place where I have already kind of started inquiry. And the fourth is how it would affect students. Um, would it be possible with the number of students that I have? How would it affect my challenged learners? So those are my first four categories. And then I took them all down and I looked at them by the way the question started, their first word. So the first column are how questions. How would it be possible with so many students? How would the recipes be chosen? And then we have the where. The what is another long category. The next column is the would or could questions, or the questions that start with would or could. Could I start by revamping it to make it inquiry based? And the last column is question. The last way that I categorized them were by order of importance. The ones in the top row are I think my three most important questions are: what would inquiry look like in baking? Where would the questions come from? And related to that, what questions would I use to start us off? And my third is, could I base my curriculum on big questions? Those are the most important questions, the ones I need to focus on first. And then I put the least important, or the ones that can wait till the end, at the bottom. And then the ones that kind of fit in the middle are in the middle row. And a lot of those will actually be answered, or could be answered, when I find the information or answer the questions in the top row. That kind of will answer some of those middle row questions. And then the ones at the bottom I can make work no matter what. In general, these questions, or really overall, these questions can really take my curriculum in a whole different direction, my teaching in a whole new direction, and I'm really excited.